Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. My name is Saibal Gupta and you're watching your favorite channel, that is the Bengaluru Bomb. So what is the topic is all about today? Again unboxing. Yes, of course, it's unboxing and also installation. So what is it for? I guess you have already knew that what it is for, okay? Because obviously you can see the thumbnail and you could understand. So let's get started. So this is the all about the packaging. Okay, I'm sorry I cannot show you the other side because I have my address, so as it's so personal, so I cannot share with you guys. So as you already have seen my knife before, or any of the unboxing I used to do in Bangalore, I am doing it with this knife, so it's so lucky. So let's unbox it. It's tightly packed, as you can see. I know it's very irritating to open it, but trust me guys, it's very useful. But very careful if you are using a sharp knife, as I told you already in my previous video. So I have ordered it from the Kickstart Store, which is situated in Bangalore. Okay, so I'll share the address in the description and also the WhatsApp number, so that if you have any kind of query before you order, you can ask them. So definitely they will answer you. And you can give my reference as well, and that is the Bengaluru Bong. To be honest with you, it's a sticky product, so that's the reason the plastic was. Okay, so this is the TankGrip, okay, and some rubber finish. Okay, so as you can see that it was written D400, means Dominar 400. Okay, so let's keep it aside. And this is the Dominar, Dominate the Night. It's a Dominar logo, 400cc, and what is it? Mod Sparks. Okay, I don't know what it is for, but anyways, it's pretty much cool. Okay, so I'll definitely share the installation video in my next. So before you do that, what you need to do, you have to clean that tank. Okay, there are not supposed to be any dust. Okay, and it's better if you use Colin or any other product which you can use to clean your tank before you install it. So you have to be very careful before you install it, because it's a rubber product. Okay, so and also the measurement should be okay. And if you are not comfortable enough to install it by yourself, I would rather than suggest you to go to any sticker shop to take a help to install it. Maybe they will take some of the amount depending on the city where you are living in, but yes, if you are not sure, then definitely you need to do that. And now this is another side of my tank where I'm going to install that other side. Okay.
All this Dominar fuel cap meter or fuel cap sticker, and as you can see that you have to be very careful because the product is very delicate. Okay, so if you are not expert in that, so I would suggest you rather than go to any sticker shop and take a help to get it installed. Maybe you need to pay a little extra. Okay, again depends on city to city. Okay, but still at least it will be dealt with a expert hand. Okay, and as you know that I have so many stickers in my Pulsar, and also I have installed that TankGrip in my CBR. I'll give you this link on that video, and you can press on that I button on top, so where you can see the procedure to install the TankGrip in CBR. Okay, so you have to, as I again and again I'm telling you, you have to be very careful. If you are expert enough, then do it. Otherwise I'll suggest you to go to any sticker shop to do that. Okay, and I'll give you the number of the Kickstart Store where you can ask for the procedure to install these items. Okay, which may help you in the longer run. Okay, and I will attach the cinematic shot after installing these stickers, so please enjoy it.
See that successfully I have installed the TankGrip and the fuel cap sticker on my Dominar. So I'll give you a review of that particular this tank pad and the fuel cap, how it gonna be. Okay, and I just want to tell you one thing that I'll definitely give the link on the description where you can order the stuff which you want, but especially what I can see on that website that you can easily get for Dominar, then R15, then Apache 310RR or Apache, any kind of Apache. If you have any Apache, definitely you can order it for. And I'll give you the WhatsApp number as well where you can ping them and ask that if you have any kind of query before you make a payment or to buy it. So that's all from my end, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, so please give a thumbs up button, and if you don't like this video, so give a thumbs down button. But please don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is the Bengaluru Bong, because the more you subscribe, I'll be more motivated. Okay, So let's end up this video with a sweet note as I told you. So till then, take care, bye bye, and have blast.